Energy efficiency plays a major role in maintaining comfort and managing household expenses. While insulation and indoor systems are important, windows significantly influence how well a home retains or releases heat. The style of window you choose can impact airflow, sealing, and overall performance. For homeowners in Pasadena, casement windows are a smart option that supports energy efficiency while enhancing everyday comfort. Why window design matters for efficiency. Windows are one of the primary points where heat transfer occurs. If they do not seal properly, indoor air escapes and outdoor temperatures creep inside. In Pasadena living spaces, inefficient windows can lead to noticeable temperature fluctuations. Casement windows help address this issue through their unique design and tight closing mechanism. The compression seal advantage. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward with a crank. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame. This compression-style seal creates a tighter closure compared to some other window styles. For Pasadena homeowners, this helps reduce air leakage and improve overall insulation performance. Minimizing drafts. Drafts are one of the most common signs of poor window efficiency. Even small gaps can allow conditioned air to escape. Casement windows in Pasadena homes help minimize drafts because their design reduces the likelihood of loose or shifting components. A well-installed casement window closes securely, keeping indoor air where it belongs. Supporting stable indoor temperatures. Temperature consistency contributes directly to comfort. Rooms near inefficient windows often feel warmer or cooler than the rest of the home. Casement windows help Pasadena homeowners maintain more even indoor temperatures. By limiting unwanted heat transfer, they reduce the occurrence of uncomfortable hot or cold spots. Enhancing ventilation without compromising efficiency. Energy efficiency does not mean sacrificing fresh air. Casement windows can be opened wide to capture breezes when conditions are favorable. In Pasadena living spaces, homeowners can take advantage of natural ventilation during mild weather. When closed, the tight seal ensures that efficiency is restored. Reducing strain on indoor systems. When windows allow excessive heat transfer, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfort. By improving sealing and insulation, casement windows help Pasadena homeowners reduce unnecessary strain on their heating and cooling systems. This supports smoother operation and greater long-term reliability. Maximizing natural light efficiently. Natural light brightens interiors and reduces reliance on artificial lighting. However, unmanaged heat gain can offset those benefits. Casement windows provide generous glass area while maintaining strong insulation. Pasadena homeowners can enjoy well-lit spaces without sacrificing temperature control. Long-term performance benefits. Durability plays a role in sustained energy efficiency. Windows that warp or shift over time can lose their ability to seal properly. Casement windows are designed for structural stability. In Pasadena homes, this means they continue to perform efficiently for years when properly installed and maintained. Improving overall living comfort. Energy efficiency ultimately supports everyday comfort. A home that maintains balanced temperatures feels more inviting and easier to live in. Pasadena homeowners who choose casement windows often notice improved comfort in living rooms, bedrooms, and other frequently used spaces. A smart investment in efficiency. Upgrading windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make for energy performance. For homeowners in Pasadena, casement windows support energy efficiency by minimizing drafts, enhancing sealing, and maintaining stable indoor temperatures. Their combination of ventilation flexibility and tight closure makes them an effective and practical choice for creating comfortable, efficient living spaces year-round.